Hey guys, it's Beaver. So we got somewhat of some breaking news. This is in regards to Ally Johnson out of Tifton, Georgia. They have made an arrest. Praise God. Tift County, Georgia, an 18-year-old was arrested in connection in the death of 9-year-old Alazia Ally Johnson in Tifton. According to Georgia Bureau of Investigation, agents said Semaj Antonio Moss, 18, was arrested and charged with malice murder, felony murder, and aggravated assault. He was picked up in Lowndes County by the sheriff's office and will be taken to Tift County Jail. Johnson was found stabbed to death in Peterson Apartments October 6th. So I am very grateful to know that thankful to know it is not the parents. Even though, it's just tragic, nonetheless, I'm thankful it's not the parents. Let's go take a look right here. Let's see. I searched a second ago, and it still says, it still says he's not in the system just yet. So, let's go check this out real quick. I want to see, I want to see how this malice murder, what exactly that is. Let's see. Malice murder is when an individual unlawfully and with malice, a forethought, either expresses or implied cause of death to another human being. Malice means the intent to take life without legal justification or so that's crazy because they got him aggravated. And what was it? Aggravated felony murder and aggravated assault. So this is very senseless. Let's see, I have another one pulled up. This is from the Tifton Grapevine. 15 man has been arrested in connection to the stabbing death. A 9-year-old Tifton girl, says Georgia Bureau of Investigation. It just says the same thing. So the minute, let's see, Nicholas Peterson. Okay, so the minute I know anything else, I will let y'all know. There's no mugshot yet. 18 years old. There's no context. This just says the same thing. We'll be following up with this. Y'all have a good one.